Elon Musk's controversial Neuralink is ready to test its brain chip implant on humans.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into Elon Musk's Neuralink. As you probably know, Elon Musk is developing technology that could connect our brains directly to computers.
In a lot of ways, it's kind of like a Fitbit in your skull with tiny wires.
It sounds like something out of science fiction, but it's actually becoming a reality. In this video, we'll explore exactly what Neuralink is, how it works, its potential benefits, and how it might change our lives in the very near future. What is Neuralink? Neuralink is a neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk back in 2016. Their primary goal? To create a brain-computer interface, or BCI, that allows the human brain to communicate directly with computers. In simpler terms, Neuralink is trying to create a chip that can be implanted in your brain. This chip would theoretically allow you to control computers or even your smartphone with just your thoughts.
I can talk to you with my thoughts.
The ultimate goal could even be to help provide relief from conditions like paralysis or other neurological disorders. How does it work? So, how exactly does this thing work? Well, the Neuralink chip is a remarkably small device. It's implanted into the brain using a specialized surgical procedure. The chip is equipped with thousands of incredibly tiny threads. These threads essentially listen for signals from your brain and transmit them to a computer. The process also works in reverse, so the computer can also send signals back to your brain. This bidirectional communication is what would, in theory, allow you to control external devices with just your thoughts. The Neuralink device can be controlled through a smartphone app, allowing you to interact with various tasks. What are the benefits? One of the biggest potential benefits of Neuralink is that it could open up a whole new world for people living with paralysis. Those who can't move their limbs might be able to use computers to write, to communicate, all through the power of their own thoughts. Beyond that, it could also improve memory function, promote better mental health, and even assist in the treatment of different neurological diseases. Elon Musk has also said that he believes Neuralink might even allow humans to communicate telepathically one day. Risks and criticisms. But like any groundbreaking technology, Neuralink comes with its share of potential risks and criticisms. First off, surgically implanting a chip into the brain is definitely a complex procedure, and it does carry a risk of infection. Security is also a major question mark. Could hackers somehow compromise the chip and access your personal information, or even worse, control your brain? Also, there's concern that this kind of technology could widen the gap between the wealthy and the not so wealthy, because it might be really expensive at first. Future possibilities. Despite the risks, Neuralink has enormous potential. Elon Musk envisions it helping people to increase their intelligence, to learn new languages faster, and to solve incredibly complex problems. In the more distant future, Neuralink could potentially transform humans into cyborgs or some kind of advanced being. Furthermore, there is also the possibility of transferring data directly from one brain to another, allowing thoughts, feelings, and knowledge to be shared. Now, while this might sound like something straight out of a science fiction movie, with Neuralink, it could become a reality. Ethical considerations. Beyond the pure technology, Neuralink raises some pretty big ethical questions. Who gets to control access to this technology? And how do we prevent it from being used for nefarious purposes like mind control or mass surveillance? How do we make sure everyone has equal access and that it doesn't make existing inequalities even worse? As we get closer to connecting our brains directly to machines, it's critical that we confront these ethical questions head on, so we can make sure this technology actually benefits everyone. Current state of development. Neuralink has achieved some pretty significant milestones in recent years. They've demonstrated their technology working in animals, pigs, and monkeys, showing that they can record and decode brain activity, and they've even received FDA approval to start human trials. These trials are still in their early stages, but they're a huge step forward in making Neuralink's vision a reality. The data they collect from these trials will be crucial for refining the technology and understanding its long-term impact. So, in conclusion, Neuralink is a groundbreaking technology with the potential to completely change our lives. While there are certainly some risks to consider, its potential benefits are just enormous. It remains to be seen how far Elon Musk's vision will ultimately go. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.